Hello friends, my name is Gayatri. My GT project is about getting the dirt on soil, a worm's eye view. Purpose. This project helps us understand what is soil, possible origins of soil, different types of soil, physical properties of soil, and usages of soil. Understand the food web and what if there is no soil. Know more about worms and their importance. Explore vermicomposting. Soils and their possible origins. Soil is the loose upper layer of Earth's surface where plants grow. Some of the possible origins of soils are wind, water, rain, plants, and animals. Different rocks means different soils. The closer the soil is to black color, the more organic matter and the more nutrient it has got. So in this picture we can see sand, clay, silt and loam. Loam is the most nutrient soil because it's more towards the black color. Soil types, physical properties and usages. These are the types of soil, these are the properties and these are the usages. No soil means no life. This is the food web diagram. The worms are the decomposers. They make the soil rich in nutrients. The plants take those nutrients. The squirrel eats the plants, the snake eats the squirrel, and the eagle eats the snake. Finally, when the eagle dies, it goes back into the soil and the worms decompose them and the cycle continues. Worms are long, thin, boneless animals. They have head, tail, and mouth. They have no legs, no eyes, no nose, and breathe through their skin. Why worms are so important? Worms make tunnels in the soil and help the air, water, and nutrients reach roots easily. They eat bacteria and fungi. They are good protein-rich food for birds, frogs, etc. Worm castings are a good fertilizer for plants. Worms are an important part of the food chain. Vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is the process of using worms to convert organic matter into nutrient-rich humus. In this picture we can see some food scraps given to worms and the worms make black gold compost. Vermicomposting helps us reuse food waste, recycle food waste, and reduce food waste instead of putting them in the landfills. My research on vermicomposting. Step 1. In a dark storage plastic bin, I put some shredded paper, cardboard pieces, vegetable peels, etc. Step 2. I sprayed water so that the worm bed will be just damp and not too soggy. Step 3. For ventilation, I drilled some holes in the container. Step 4. I purchased red wigglers. Regularly, I keep checking on the worms. When I flush the contents of the worm bins, I can see the happy, wiggling, super active red worms. Vermicompost effect on plants. In this chart, we can see that vermicompost gave its best result. Conclusion. Our kitchen waste becomes food for worms and is not thrown into trash. It is amazing to see the hard work done by red wigglers in making the nutrient-rich compost. Added a small quantity of vermicompost to my plants and they are really growing well. Websites like sharewaste.com is available for those who are interested in recycling food scraps and other organics in their neighborhood. These are the resources I used for my project work. This is the picture when I started my project. This is the final sample vermicompost. Thank you.